Wave dancer being pushed to 204 strokes. Suzuki started nicely. Leon floated into the channel.
Recorded here on St Lucia Estuary beaches by Petrus Viviers.
This is extreme boating, St Lucia Estuary, Isimangilisa Wetland Park, South Africa. You can follow us on YouTube. Leon is turning north. He's coming up the channel. Dancer a 930 Pardette charter operation here in St Lucia Estuary. Been catching some nice dorado and tuna the last couple of days, and before that some nice queen mackerel. Two 150s on Maverick has started. Wiseman is pushing. He has to run hard with it. It's a long lip. Luckily the tide is washing in their favor, so Maverick is pulled right into the channel. Let me just turn you guys again towards the sunrise. So let me do my work here on the extreme baiting video. From next week, or the week after next week, the live camera and the zoom camera will be working in unison. Now we've got the power planing nicely. 830 Pardette with two 154 stroke Suzukis on the back. Compared to the Carry Cats, a little bit under power, but it's running smoothly. Beautiful launch there by Josh. Happy hunting, guys. Enjoy the day. Oh yes, Maverick is a charter operation if you guys were interested.